Namaste everyone, I'm back with a powerful video. I want to ask you, are you clenching your jaw right now without even realizing it? This tiny habit could be silently damaging your teeth, face and even peace of your mind. Jaw clenching, also called as bruxism, is when your jaw muscles tighten involuntarily, often without your awareness. It mostly happens during sleep, while you're stressed or anxious, even when you're deeply focused while working on a laptop or stuck in traffic or even while cooking. Why do this happen? Because your mind and jaw are deeply connected. When your mind holds tension, your jaw mirrors it. It's your body's silent scream for help. If your jaw feels tight by evening or your teeth feel sensitive, don't ignore it. Follow me to learn how to stop clenching and reclaim peace in both your smile and soul. Jaw clenching is equal to emotional overload. Let's fix the root, not the teeth. Thank you. Subscribe my channel for further more videos.